Ki khubor ka bate si TV. Rakhe ka Frank Yamaha khatn reus nem ya ka jing shakri ka jongka. Baden ais ngo bha sha baro kinong thi thuk thuk. Ringkat ka kabuk ser ban long kinong job ya santali ki laptop. Kani ka offer kan kot ha ka live hoteri unai lur 8,000 pusau.
Kakin hun jingeh yalam nagaharajan panchayat komiti hakar pesantrik unai lur ajar posau jadi banyak kendo chief secretary ke sarkar jilla ubah Donald P Walang hakam ratri kam jongu hasketrian banyak thira taisani halo gejing penkendria ilai spa sapu adli long ye na them yo molong hakajing alang ke komiti ke penpau ye gejing pensngau hakmat chief secretary ringkat gejing sendan lang jokin hun ke Amritsar kebelawan kenang syagani ke jilla Meghalaya bani shimbentalang hakajing keren bat ke sarkar Ujak Mohan Singh ubulong convener Jong Safe Shillong Sikh na Punjab lihat Thaw bagi jingwan ni Shimbentalang hagan gajing kran bagi sarkar kalong amban Thaw Jingkulmar riban wa dikilat lenti na kebentawan Pynbeit ye Jingeh belama de jai Bendu Singh be shong basa hagan ni kanong ba Shillong
किसी का डेलीगेशन पहुंचा है यहाँ पे अमृतसर से आए पंजाब से तो अभी मिले हैं और वो जो हमने बात रखा है वो गवर्नमेंट के साथ में रखेंगे और उसके बाद में फिर जो चीफ सेक्रेटरी साहब बताएंगे हम फिर दोबारा मीटिंग होगी
It's a part of an ongoing discussion which is going on, and the SGPC leadership comprising of the General Secretary Sir Rajinder Singh Mehta, the first Bhagwan Singh Syalka and Gurinder Singh, and myself, I am just an activist, Jagmohan Singh. We have presented our viewpoint, and it is still in infancy as to what is going to happen. So we are not in a position to share anything with the media at this stage. We are only saying that it's a very constructive meeting that we had, and we are very hopeful that this problem of the residents of Punjabi Lane will be solved sooner than later. It concerns us because these Sikhs have come 200 years ago from Punjab. Their homeland is Punjab. Their relatives, their families, their lands are in Punjab. So if a Sikh anywhere in the world is hurt in any manner, it hurts us. And it is to express our hurt that we come and express solidarity with them. We are not here to create any trouble. We are here to help the government to resolve the problem in an amicable and proper manner. It's not fully satisfactory. Therefore, we are raising some concerns, which is under discussion, and I'm sure that we will be able to iron out a good solution.
Extended thoughts. We are coming from Sri Akal Takht Sahib, the highest temple seat of Sikhs, and every issue may be arise in any part of world, then Akal Takht Sahib can intervene.
Subsequent to that, the Deputy Chief Minister has already said that the matter is now to be dealt with by the Chief Secretary, and that is why we have met the Chief Secretary now. So we will wait for an invitation from the government.
देखिए सारे हमारी साहब की हम्बल कोशिश है कि जो इश्यूज हमारे लोकल कम्युनिटी के हैं वो इश्यू को प्रॉपरली सरकार सुने, उसके लिए जो एमिकेबली सोल्यूशन है वो निकाला जाए ताकि ना सरकार हरास हो ना हमारी कम्युनिटी हरास हो। उन्होंने इंश्योर किया, बहुत बढ़िया मीटिंग हमारी हुई है। उन्होंने कहा कि मैं डिस्कस करता हूँ डिप्टी सीएम साहब से और सीएम साहब से, आगे का क्या होगा वो बताएंगे, जैसे होगा फिर आगे मूव किया जाएगा।